How to prompt ChatGPT for analogies. Want clear explanations with analogies? Let's learn how to prompt ChatGPT to generate powerful analogies step by step. So start simple. Ask ChatGPT to explain a concept using an analogy. So for example, I want to ask ChatGPT to explain a blockchain using analogy. I'll enter that prompt here and hit on send. Now, you can go ahead and tailor the analogies to your audience. For example, explain cloud computing with an analogy a high school student would understand. As for variety, so for example, give me three analogies for machine learning, one simple, one humorous, and one technical, and guide ChatGPT by linking to something familiar, such as explain SEO with an analogy comparing it with to a library. For deeper learning, ask ChatGPT to explain a concept with an analogy, then break it down step by step to show how each part matches the real process. And that is how you prompt ChatGPT for analogies.